welcome. So you want to be able to punch faster. Well, I will show you a couple of exercises that can help improve your quickness and your timing, because timing, quickness, and breathing is like water to the human body. You need it to be able to function. So exercise one, you will need a tennis ball or any type of ball. Go into your fighting position, and all you're gonna do is put your hand out, catch, drop, catch, just like that. And once you get comfortable with that, you speed it up. You get comfortable with that, you move around like that, and practice. Now your second thing, you're gonna throw it up, flat behind your back, catch like that. And then now you're gonna do a double clapper and catch. Like that. Your next exercise is gonna be clap in front and clap behind, and then catch. Just like that. Now, you're gonna need an elastic band or a bungee. And this is gonna work on your resistance and your core power to shoot out and be able to punch faster. So, grab your elastic or your bungee. You're gonna go chest to height, and you're gonna push up, hold. And don't let your arms drop like this. You're gonna go shoot straight out, back, straight out, back, straight out, back. And then to make it more difficult, you're gonna go here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like that. Now, going back to your tennis balls. This one's gonna be your more difficult one. You're gonna throw both up, then catch. So, like that. Just like that. Get the timing, get the rhythm. Now, when you're doing these exercises, doesn't matter what you do. If your hands go out, you're pushing the air out. So, breathe in. Breathe in. Same with the chest. Breathe in. So every time you throw a punch, it's so when you're pushing the air out, your body wants to naturally suck air back in to replace what is lost. So remember, breathe, because if you hold your breath, you can't punch fast. You may be able to punch fast the first couple, but after that you're gonna be like start choking, and your endurance is gonna be like nothing, right? Now the final thing is practice everything. These are little bit of exercises I showed you, practice, and then shuttle off, and get used to going slow, technical, and then fast, and then practice.